Dr. Science here on the Meg and D, and I've got a thought for you to chew on. There are three states of matter that we encounter every day: solids, liquids, and gases. One difference between solids, liquids, and gases is in how they keep or change their shape. Solids keep their shape no matter what container you put them in. Liquids, on the other hand, take the shape of their container. Right now it's a cylinder. If I change the container, it could become a rectangular prism, or even a honey bear. Gases expand to fill up any container you put them in. A ship like this would usually be out on the water, but the Meg and D is resting on the sand. But what state of matter is sand anyways? Under some circumstances, we know that sand can keep its shape like a solid, and it's sturdy enough to walk on. But notice that the sand can easily be scooped and poured, and then it takes the shape of these containers: cylinder, rectangular prism, and honey bear. So sand is a little like a liquid, but it's not exactly the same. When you jump on the beach, you don't sink to the bottom. You can't swim or sink or float in sand. Can you? This is a sand fluidizer. It has pipes all along the bottom with tiny holes spaced evenly along the length. When I open this valve, an air compressor will force air through the holes and into the sand. Let's put some sand over it and see what the effect is. Notice the difference between these two balls. This light ping pong ball floats to the top, even when I push it down underneath the sand. And the metal ball sinks to the bottom. So, that's your thought to chew on. Is sand a liquid, a solid, or something else? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for joining me. Dr. Science, out.